Here we go, girls and boys. Cooking with Danny. Gonna make a cheeseburger. The best cheeseburger. Chopped meat, cheddar cheese. My sesame seed bun already toasted. Grainy mustard. Ketchup. Pickles. Little Liam Perrins. Salt and pepper. Ready to go. Look at that, guys. I formed my patty. Toasted my bun, got the ketchup, mustard, pickles, cheddar cheese. I'm all ready to go. Okay, guys, just put the burger in. Starting to cook. It's about a 6-ounce patty I made. Look at that, guys. Just flipped the burger. Cooked it like almost 3 minutes on that side. Nice and brown. That's where all the flavor is. You gotta make sure you get your burger nice and brown. This other side will cook like 2 minutes. It's a fairly thick burger. Oh my God, you guys gotta smell this burger. It smells so good. I made a special pan sauce. Red wine and butter. It's so good with a little Worcestershire. I wish there was smell-o-vision. Yum. Easiest burger in town. I'll take this over a Minetta burger any day of the week. It is so damn good. I make the best burgers. Hey guys, this is Danny. Cooking with Danny. I just made that cheeseburger. Damn, it was good. Best burger in town. I'm telling you. If you like the video, please hit like. Please subscribe to the channel if you like. Love to have you on board. Make some comments, whatever. Now I'm going to have dessert. Nice Danish butter cookies. Yum. Okay guys, thanks again. Hit subscribe. See ya.